Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And wow, we've hit 1,000 subscribers and I honestly can't thank you all enough for being here, supporting the videos and helping this community grow. As a huge thank you, I'm hosting a special giveaway. So the amazing brand Tiefossi has offered to send one of their journals to the giveaway winner, and they've also sent me one to unbox and show you today. So let's get into it. Okay, here we go. The packaging feels really high quality and I can see the journal peeking through. Can't wait to get a close look at this journal. I'm so excited. As you already know, I'm a big fan of Tiefossi journals. All my journals I've got are from Tiefossi. They're just such good quality. Oh wow, look at this cover. The first thing you notice is the celestial theme, this beautiful big butterfly and the crescent moon and stars. This is the A5 Moon Butterfly Dot Grid Notebook in navy and it's stunning. And check out how it catches the light. The silver laser hot stamping gives it that iridescent shine. It just looks dreamy. It has a super handy pen holder so you can always have your favourite pen with you. You get an elastic band to keep everything close tight when you're on the go. Let's open it up. Oh, we get a little thank you card. Thank you from Tiefossi. Plus, Tiefossi includes a free foiled stamp bookmark and it's gorgeous. It says, "Dream by moonlight, plan by sunlight." It's stunning. And look at the inside cover with the iridescent pattern. Oh, it's so nice. Look at that, shiny. And you get your cover page. Comes with 2 ribbon bookmarks so you can mark multiple pages in a beautiful navy colour. You get 190 pages of thick 160 GSM dot grid paper with 5mm spacing, and some of the dots are slightly darker so it helps you mark out your spread. If you bullet journal, draw, sketch or just hate ghosting and bleeding through, this paper is a dream. Seriously, it's thick. Also, there's a back pocket for stickers, notes or random things you collect. And this journal is 100% vegan and cruelty-free. So if you want to win this exact notebook, brand new, shipped directly to you, here's what you need to do. Be subscribed to the channel, like this video, leave a comment telling me what you use this journal for, bullet journaling, art, writing, planning, anything, and follow me and Tiefossi on Instagram. I'll randomly pick a winner in 7 days and I'll announce it on the channel and in the community tab. I will put the rules in the description box for you. Once again, thank you all so much for helping this channel reach 1,000 subscribers. It means the world and I'm so excited for everything ahead. Good luck in the giveaway and I'll see you in the next video.